Hey there classers, are you looking to become the ultimate teammate by donating troops in Clash of Clans? You have come to the right place. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to donate troops and help your clan thrive. So let's dive right in. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your Clash of Clans application. To donate troop, you need to be a part of a clan. And here is how. Tap on clan tab at the bottom of the screen, search for a clan or create your own if you haven't joined one yet, and make sure the clan has active members who request troops often. Then you have to wait for donation request. Once you are in a clan, open the clan chat. You will see player requesting troops in the chat window. Before donating, make sure you have the required troops already. Follow this step. Tap on the barracks to train troops, queue the request unit, ensure you are training high level troops if your clanmate need them. Now here comes the exciting part. Go back to the clan chart and find the troop request. Tap on to donate button next to the request. Select the troop you want to send and confirm. To maximize your donation, consider using a donation portion. You can monitor your donation performance in the clan status. And that's it classes, you are now ready to become a troop donating legend in Clash of Clans. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.